Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix default post type don't show feature image in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor theme and plugin. Now you see feature image not display. Now go to edit page, post. Now you see we added feature image, but on front end in Elementor feature image no display. So this is our default post type design. Now you see, so we are going to fix it. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this custom code we are going to display feature image in post. Now you see class, if you want to add some styling, so you can use this class post hyphen thumbnail, and then scroll down, you see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to post page and refresh the page. Now you see feature image display on front end in post in Elementor WordPress by using this custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.